In the last decade, coral reefs have faced unprecedented bleaching events, threatening nearly 50% of the world's coral. These vibrant underwater cities, home to countless marine species, are endangered by rising temperatures and ocean acidification. As we peer into the azure depths, a complex world teems with life, where corals build the framework of reefs and host vital microscopic organisms. The relationship between corals and these microorganisms forms a delicate balance, essential for the health of the entire ecosystem. Corals thrive in warm, shallow waters where sunlight allows for photosynthesis. Their vibrant colors are not solely their own, they are a canvas for symbiotic algae called zooxanthellae, which produce energy for the coral's growth. When environmental stress occurs, such as rising temperatures, corals expel these vital algae, leading to bleaching that can decimate entire reefs if temperatures do not stabilize. Recent research has revealed astonishing adaptations in corals, showcasing their ability to communicate with microorganisms and alter their genetic makeup in response to stress. Some corals can acclimatize by swapping their symbiotic partners, selecting heat-resistant algae. This adaptability may redefine our understanding of coral ecosystems and their survival. The challenges they face are monumental. Climate change and pollution jeopardize their existence. Yet, corals and their microbial allies offer a glimmer of hope. The race is on to uncover more about these remarkable relationships, as every discovery could be key to protecting these vital ecosystems. The fate of coral reefs hangs in the balance. Without intervention, we risk losing them. The question remains, can we act swiftly enough to save them? Corals are not solitary beings, they thrive in partnerships, most notably with zooxanthellae, which reside within their tissues, sharing energy derived from sunlight in exchange for shelter and nutrients. This mutualistic relationship is a dazzling display of cooperation that allows corals to flourish in nutrient-poor waters. Each coral polyp, with its delicate tentacles waving in the currents, is a testament to this intricate alliance. Studies reveal that corals can adapt to changing conditions more than previously understood. In a landmark study published in 2009, scientists found that certain species of corals exhibited genetic variations that offered resistance to elevated temperatures. This groundbreaking work, led by researchers from the Australian Institute of Marine Science, highlighted genetic mechanisms enabling corals to withstand thermal stress, the primary cause of bleaching. For instance, the Acropora species, known for its branching structure, was shown to possess the ability to shuffle its symbiotic partners, choosing more heat-tolerant strains of zooxanthellae. Such dynamic adaptation transforms their essence, allowing them to endure where others falter. Coral reefs are home to an astonishing array of organisms. Fish glide through the water, their vibrant scales shimmering like jewels in the sunlight, while invertebrates scuttle across the seafloor, each contributing to the delicate ballet of life. Parrotfish, with their beak-like mouths, graze on algae, while clownfish dart in and out of anemones, showcasing this interdependent relationship where protection and companionship flourish. Each player in this delicate ballet underscores the fragility of this underwater universe. However, we must acknowledge the challenges they face. A groundbreaking study highlighted that certain corals exhibit the thermal memory, allowing them to respond robustly to heat stress. This phenomenon was first noted in 2015, when researchers observed that specific coral populations in the Great Barrier Reef not only survived heat waves but thrived post-event, displaying an enhanced ability to tolerate subsequent heat stress. Identifying and protecting these resilient populations may foster coral communities that can withstand climate change. Yet, ocean acidification disrupts the chemistry necessary for corals to build their calcium carbonate skeletons, threatening their very foundation. As atmospheric carbon dioxide levels rise, the oceans absorb this gas, resulting in a more acidic marine environment. This shift in pH alters the balance of minerals crucial for coral calcification, leading to weaker structures. In the coral triangle, for example, researchers found that increased acidity could reduce the ability of corals to grow by up to 30% by the year 2100 if current trends continue. The consequences are staggering, as coral loss not only impacts biodiversity but also the livelihoods of millions who depend on these ecosystems. In research labs, scientists are turning to innovative approaches to bolster coral resilience, such as coral gardening, which promotes recovery and genetic diversity. This process involves cultivating resilient coral species in nurseries before transplanting them back onto reefs. Such initiatives have proven effective in places like the Caribbean, where projects started in 2008 are yielding promising results. Understanding the microbial communities within corals has become a focal point, as they contribute significantly to coral health. Recent advances in genetic sequencing have unveiled complex relationships that could enhance resilience through targeted interventions. Scientists working with the NOAA have discovered microbial symbionts that thrive in warmer waters, which may hold the key to developing future coral gardens. Witnessing coral spawning, when entire reefs synchronize to release clouds of eggs and sperm, underscores the urgency of preserving these habitats. This mass reproduction event occurs once a year, often triggered by lunar cycles, ensuring genetic diversity and the continuation of coral populations. As the waters swell with gametes, the spectacle is mesmerizing. The surface transforms into a frothy landscape, as if nature is painting its own masterpiece under the moonlight. This spectacular event not only acts as a beacon of hope for future generations of corals but also highlights the interconnectedness of marine life. Corals, with their intricate structures, invite wonder and reflection. The Great Barrier Reef, a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1981, stands as a testament to their beauty and biodiversity. Spanning over 344,000 square kilometers, it is the largest living structure on Earth, visible even from space. Yet, since the early 2000s, this iconic reef has witnessed mass bleaching events driven by climate change, with a staggering 50% of coral lost between 2016 and 2017 alone. Each bleaching event strips the corals of their color and life, leaving behind ghostly white skeletons, a haunting reminder of what once was. The path forward is steep yet illuminated by the resilience of corals. We hold the key to their survival, a collective responsibility to act. Initiatives aimed at reducing carbon emissions, protecting marine environments, and supporting sustainable practices are crucial. In places like Palau, progressive policies have been enacted to safeguard marine ecosystems through the establishment of marine protected areas. Each action ripples through the ecosystem, affecting the delicate balance of life. In this age of discovery, scientists reveal coral resilience, offering insight and hope. However, the urgency to protect them cannot be overstated. Coral reefs are lifelines for countless marine species, contributing to oxygen production and supporting biodiversity. The distress signals sent by coral bleaching remind us that our choices on land ripple across the oceans. As we overheat the planet and pollute our waters, the repercussions reach far beneath the waves, endangering not just coral reefs but the web of life they support. As we stand on the precipice of action, we must ask ourselves, will we rise to meet the challenge and safeguard the future of coral reefs? In the depths of the ocean, an adventure awaits. The treasures hidden in the abyss beckon us to explore, revealing new chapters in our understanding of the marine world. The ocean calls for curiosity and respect. What incredible revelations await as we venture into the depths?